Good morning, all of you guys. So today, let's go with another program in the dictionary. That is program number 8. If you observe the seventh one, same as the sixth one, guys. The seventh one, what is seventh one here? Display employee name who is getting a more salary. The sixth one, what you have done, who is getting less salary, right? And who is getting a more salary. Same as a sixth one, simply in place of min, we keep max, that's all. The same program, guys, as it is for seventh also. But I want to get the person who is getting the more salary, right? For more salary means what we use, simply we use max, that's all, guys. And I'll take variable name called more salary, and we'll replace here also like more salary, that's all. So Akash is the person who is getting a more salary out of all the employees. Akash, or salary 50,000. Okay, right. Now let's go eighth one. Eighth one is a display employee name who is not getting more salary or less salary. The previous two is who is getting a less salary, who is getting a more salary. But now I want the remaining people who is not getting a highest or least salary in the companies. Okay, right. That's why we'll take again two variables now. One is to get the highest salary. The second variable to get the least salary. Okay, now we'll take the remaining people who are not these values, who are not getting the highest or least, that names we will display. Okay, so first I take the for I in employees, if employees of I, of which one, of salary, if salary, okay, I'm taking to where, taking to the one list, guys. I think here if is not required. Okay, why if is not required? I want every salary, right? I want every salary into one list format, and that list, so now all salaries coming here, all salaries coming, and I take the max value, so you can take here more sal, like this, guys. More sal is the one variable, so here more salary is there. I'll take one more for I in employees, okay, employees, and again so employees of I of what here, I of salary. I'm taking all salaries, out of all I'm taking now min salary, means the least salary, guys, small value. Then I'm giving the name like less sal. Now so two variables are there. The first one is having a highest salary, the second is having a least salary. Okay, now I'll get one by one salary from beginning to ending. I'll compare whether the salary, if not more, if not less, then that name I will display. Okay, so for I in what, for I in employees, if so first employee salary I am getting here, first employee salary, not in, guys. I can take, simply can take and operator by comparing both, or can take not in more sal, and also less sal, means if the first employee salary not in any one of these two, then that name I want to fetch. That name we want to fetch employees of I of what, I want to split a name, right? Okay, we can take the name, guys. We can take here name, we can take the name. That name I want display. Yes, let's see the persons: Sai, Nani, Satya, Rajesh. These four employees not getting a highest salary, not getting a least salary. Okay, which one? And observe here, what is the highest salary actually here? As per this data, the highest salary is 50,000. That is which one? Akash. and the least salary is what 10,000, that is Renu. And remaining people 10,000 20,000, who is that one? Sai. So first Sai is coming, and 20,000, who is that one? Nani. So Nani is coming here, Nani is coming here, okay, second one Nani. And then 40,000 Satya, Satya is coming here, and then 33,000 Rajesh also coming here, okay. So the least salary is how much here? 10,000, which is taken by Renu. The highest salary is 50,000, which is taken by Akash. Suppose if I take here Renu 1 lakh salary, if I take the 1 lakh salary, then this is the more salary, and what is the least one? 20 is the least one. 20 is the least one. Then the remaining people like Nani and Satya, Rajesh, Akash. These 4 people who are not getting the highest and the least. Let's see now. I'll take 1 lakh for Renu now. 1 lakh for Renu now. See what's coming now. Nani, Satya, Rajesh, Akash coming here. Means now Renu is the person highest salary. Renu person is getting highest salary, and Sai getting a least salary. Remaining 4 getting the not highest and not least salaries. Okay. So like this, guys. If you want step by step again explanation, like same previous examples, all components same format it executes, guys. All components same format. So if condition is there, if you will execute after for loop. If is not there, after for loop directly what executes here, that logic will execute. Okay, right. I hope guys you understand this one, and for more videos please subscribe our channel Narayan Tech House and follow us on Instagram Raita Narayana. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.